Hey everyone, it's Michael and
Ruben!
From Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you the best of the British.
For 2025.
2025.
We've got them through. We're starting to see the 2025s roll through now. We've had the kangaroo release through Perth Mint. We've got these. We've had the elephants were the first ones for us. And obviously the snake and things like that. So yeah, it's starting to come through in a big way.
Should we start with the smaller coins?
Smaller coins in the biggest box.
Different colour. Which one do you want?
Let's go different colour.
Different colour. We're going to start up this end, are we?
Let's start up this end.
Alrighty. See what's hiding in here. I don't even know how to open this box.
You know, they keep it different for you every single time. You got to be aware of the UPS, the FedEx, the Armour Guard, all the different ones.
At least with bullion, you're hard pushed to do damage. When I'm unboxing numismatic stuff like little coin shop stuff, man, oh man. You get a blade in the wrong spot, and all of a sudden,
I was going to say, blade in the side of a tube is a lot better than blade in the side of a shipper. You look at those things the wrong way, and they can scratch up.
Yeah, devalue in front of your very eyes.
Indeed.
Alrighty, we're getting closer, ever closer.
I was going to say we can see tubes in there.
Alrighty.
The Britannia.
They've even written a sticker for us this time, which is good of them. And of course the sticker's now coming off with the tape.
There we go.
And I need a glove for these because they come through naked.
I've got Charles there peering through that side.
You're going to go for the sneak preview, don't you, mate?
Got to.
Just trying to grab the one, there it goes. So look, standard Britannia design with other than it's a beautiful design, and it absolutely is a beautiful design, but I always love the security features they pack into these Britannias.
Absolutely, those waves in the background. You've got the two pictures there, the trident and the lock, as well as some micro text and things like that.
And as you can see, the big difference for this year, 2025.
That's it.
Well, for next year, I suppose it is still. And then on the obverse, we have, I'm still not used to it, we have King Charles.
Slowly but surely. How long do you reckon it'll take you?
I'm not sure I'll ever get used to it if I'm completely honest.
And then you might, and then it'll probably change again.
Yeah, well, the trouble is we had Queen Elizabeth for so long that, like all my life, and I was talking to my mother before she passed away, and yeah, same thing. She was saying, it's pretty much her whole life it had been Queen Elizabeth, so... as a lot of us are trying to get used to that change, I think. Alrighty, so that's the gold. Now, have we still got gold in this one?
I think there's more golds in there.
Should we take a quick look or just move on?
Yeah, let's take a quick look. We'll just go through the magic of editing.
Good idea. Alrighty, so it was more of the gold in that one, of the 1 ounce, so Let's move on to this box.
More of those down there. We've got the monster box.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
There we go. I think we need to do a bit of a ranking tier list of monster boxes from around the world.
You're going to be hard pushed to beat the Philharmonic.
Philharmonic, I think, would definitely be up there for me. But you got the Noah's Arks in there as well, and the American Eagles is a classic.
Yeah, but the New Zealand Mint throws in every so often they put different coloured stickers and stuff on them. It doesn't change the box, but it kind of just changes the look of the box. I kind of like that.
Nah, we'll have to go away and think about that one.
That's right. So the 1 ounce silver Britannia. Like I said, an iconic design. And lots of security features in there, as we discussed, into the gold. The big difference, again, the 2025 up there in the top left. And then on the obverse, we have King Charles without the crown.
Very nice.
So that is in stock.
But we have one more variety to come.
We do. And this one, I actually opened it accidentally earlier on. And then my phone rang, believe it or not. No,
here's one we prepared earlier.
Oh, actually, if you remember, do we have another quick look in here?
Yeah. I suspect there might be something different. We weren't entirely sure if this one was just a
more
fill
of the same.
packaging or more of the same. But no, we've got some smaller tubes in there.
So I had a feeling we'd bought different sizes. These might even be different years. Now I'm going to have a look in here just to see what they've done. I won't undo the tapes, I'll just do the big cut.
Biggest downside with some of these, we try to encapsulate where we can, but these ones, as you can see, do come naked in their tubes. So we try to where we can, but just keep that in mind when you are purchasing.
Give you a size perspective there. That's the 120. I was going to say 125ths, not 125ths. They're 1/10ths.
Yes.
So I'm curious as to why this one's only got 22 written on it, not 25.
Be quantity if we ordered an odd amount.
It could have been that for some reason a non-standard amount was ordered.
We just said we'll take what you've got. I feel like that happens a bit around here.
Yeah, it does actually, but I can't actually see any difference at all. They're definitely not 22s because I've got King Charles on them.
I just throw the stickers on there to keep you guessing.
Yeah, I don't know why they've put a 22 on there. Yep, don't know. We'll have to have a look at that later on. So we've got the 1/10ths in as well for all those people who love a 1/10th, and then we've even got some in flips.
There you go.
It's amazing. This is why we go through every single part of the package.
You can't be throwing things like that out.
And look, I suggest you'd be amazed the number of packages that we send out to people, and they go, "Oh, you've missed the such and such a coin." And our first response is always,
"Have you checked every single little flap or hidden area?"
Particularly, you'd be surprised how big a coin can hide in packaging. But even like some of these tiny coins, and they just disappear into the packaging. No matter how much we bulk them out to make it so they don't.
These are really cool. I like these tubes there with the logo on top.
So whoops, these are a great thing. So hopefully, I've got my glasses on, but you might be able to see better, Rubes.
I was going to say, I think I'll be trusting my macro lens here to get through some of these.
So these should be 2025 1/10ths, I believe.
They absolutely are.
In silver?
They are.
There you go. So we've even got fractional silver Britannias
Fractional
in stock.
silver and gold, and 1 ounce silver and gold as well.
Yeah, so a good mix, a good variety of the iconic design out of the Royal Mint. So it's a great thing to see with all their security features and everything. Gold, silver. The only thing we're missing out of this unboxing is the platinum.
Indeed.
So we'll have to see if we can do that very, very soon.
Absolutely. Now we haven't got huge numbers on these. We are still a little. We're still a little wary of some products.
Yeah, I wasn't going to say it, but
sorry, I've dubbed you in there.
We are we're cautiously optimistic with these ones.
Well, I was going to say these ones do look nice. So just taking a look there at our top one, it's always a good indication, and they do look good. But we are a little cautious.
For those that have been living in a cave, I suppose, in the stacking community and aren't aware of the fact that there's been an issue. So it doesn't impact the gold with the Royal Mint, but their naked or their tubed 1 ounce silvers have had a bit of an issue with white spotting. These don't seem to have it. Usually we can tell fairly early on. These don't seem to have it, but obviously we're very cautious about it. But we don't want to harp on about this. We're hoping that that the Royal Mint is dealing with it in the background. So.
Absolutely, but yeah, just to say that's it. If you were chasing any of these for your stack, would probably recommend sooner rather than later, because we haven't got boxes and boxes of them like we have done in years gone by. So
yeah, that's right.
Thank you very much, Michael. We will catch you in the next one.
Sounds good. See you soon.